Alright guys, we are just now leaving Gypsyana the Jeep, and we have to walk the way in to a very special place because the road is closed. So let's walk the 1.6 miles through the snow to get to this very special place so that I can do some photography. Let's do it. Alright, we're walking the 1.6 miles in. About 2 to 3 inches of snow, probably more like 3. It's very cold, probably 29, maybe 25. And I'm not as prepared as I should be because I didn't plan on doing this walk. Always be prepared, guys. Guys, after about 35 minutes of hiking through 3-inch snow, we have made it to the overlook. We're gonna fly the drone, take some panos, do some photography, have some fun, get out of the studio for a little bit, and enjoy Fall Creek Falls State Park. All right, guys, we have made it to the cuspid of Fall Creek Falls. And I want you guys to check out this beautiful view. Both falls are running today. We've got a good amount of snow, so we're ready to do some photography. Let's do it. All right, guys, we are done here at Fall Creek Falls, the tallest waterfall east of the Rocky Mountains in the United States. I have met a fellow drone companion. He's out flying his Mavic Air 2. I've got the Mavic Air 2S, similar drones. And it's good to find someone doing drones here in the cold. But we are out of this location. We're gonna go to the Nature Center, do some photography there.